you think? Did y'all think I wasn't gonna join that mukbang challenge? Yes, that's right. I'm joining the mukbang challenge and this should be fun. You guys, I love seafood. I love seafood. And if you continue to watch this video, you're gonna find out what's my favorite seafood restaurant. And you'll find out how did I get these too. How did I get this yummy looking, this yummy bowl? So I decided to go and pick out 10 questions that everyday people ask Google. So just 10 random funny questions that everyday people ask Google. And I was like, why not try to answer some of these questions, right? While I eat my yummy, oh God, I can just smell it. And I'm so hungry right now. I'm about to fuck it. Ooh, girl, let's get started. Question number 1, who do girls favor most between mom and dad? Okay, so I'm a girl, I'm a woman, and I have to say I favor mom. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. You know I love you, but I kind of favor my dad the most. I do. I kind of favor daddy mostly. I don't know, my dad just get me. Like he gets me, okay? Dad, I love you. Mama, I love you too. Okay, so the second question is, I had to bite it, girl. I had to bite it, beauty. Okay, second question. Who eats cats and dogs? Who is asking these questions? Okay, shit, not me. I don't eat neither. And I wouldn't want to know who eats them because that's disgusting. What's best to do when you see someone crying at the movie theater? That's the third question. Question number 3. I haven't witnessed or heard somebody crying at the movie theater, but if I did, I would be like I probably won't say nothing. I wouldn't say nothing. I wouldn't. Question number 4. This is so good. Oh my God. I wish I could give y'all some. This is so freaking good. Okay. How often do people look at their cell phone every day? Okay, let me answer for me. I look at my cell phone every time. Shit, I can't leave without my cell phone. I'm addicted. Hey, my name is GiGie and I just want to say I'm addicted to my cell phone. Confession. Next question. What is one thing a fridge should always have? I think water. Water should be the number 1. Cold water should be number 1. Oh, good. Trust me, I'm gonna wipe my lips. Hold on. Oh, I got a lobster tail. I love lobster tail. I love lobster tail. Question number 6. What would be the best thing about not having a sense of smell? So being able to smell a musty person. Oh, I hate it. No, I cannot. If you're musty, walk away. I can't. Like, it gives me a headache. I can't do it. Okay. Question number 7. Oh, number 7. Ooh, number 7. Yeah, I'm dancing because I know I'm about to kill this lobster tail. What part of the body should be lotioned more? For me, myself, and I would say my knees. Your girl knees could be ashy. When I be using shea butter anyway. I use shea butter, so you know I stay lotioned up. I don't like being ashy. Okay. Number 8. Here is everything. Number 8. What does it mean when the back of the head hurt? What does it mean when the back of the head hurt? So, heard that when the back of your head hurt, it's stress. That pain, like if you get a headache in the back of your head, it's coming from stress. That's because you're overstressed and you probably ain't been sleeping much because you're stressing. So, yeah, that's stress. I'm not a doctor. Okay? I'm just saying. Question number 9. How to start a conversation. I always think a good way to start a conversation is by the sound of your voice, the sound of your tone, the way you sound when you're approaching somebody, your energy. You know, you gotta have your energy. Ooh, ooh. See, that was a good answer. Because the meat came out easy for me. Yep. Yeah, basically your tone, your energy, especially if you want something, please check yourself before you go there. Check yourself. If you're going to ask for something, check yourself before you get there. I love corn. I love shrimp. My goodness, I can't get enough. I wish I could get some more of this lobster tail, because guys, I'm getting full like I am, and I don't want to force myself to eat any more. I'm gonna battle with that off camera. I'm gonna battle with the rest of that lobster tail when I'm hungry again, off camera. Question number 10. Where can gold be found? Is people really asking Google questions like this? My answer to that question is, I don't know. And when you find out, let me know. Did I just hit an alto? I'm just playing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it. I'm done eating for tonight or for this evening. I feel pretty full and that was so delicious. Okay, so my seafood mukbang came from juicy crab. I love juicy crab, and not all juicy crab. It came from the juicy crab in Kennesaw. And every time I want seafood, I go to the juicy crab at Kennesaw because it's the best seafood. If you come to Atlanta, check out the juicy crab in Kennesaw. I'm telling you, and tell them GiGie Champagne sent you. Okay? For watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Become a part of this GiGie Beauty family. I want you, I want her, I want him, I want everybody on my YouTube channel just watching me and having so much fun with me. And of course, you can always comment whatever you want under my comment section. And please check out the description bar. Please share my video. You know, let your friend know I did the mukbang challenge. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for watching. And more video coming soon. Love and kisses.